In this particular section of the course, we're going to start looking at converting a drawing, a DWG file, into a drawing template file, which is a DWT file. Basically, a DWT file contains all the information you need to start working and creating a new DWG from it. Now, if you've worked with previous exercises in this course, you will recognize this drawing. It's the little house, sort of apartment type layout there with the boundary and so on. What I've done is change that drawing slightly and standardized it. So it's a little bit more obvious as to what it does. So we've got our model tab. We've still got information in the model tab. We've got 1 to 100 scale, 1 to 10 scale, and 1 to 20 and 1 to 10 on this particular layout here. Now, we're going to look at the options dialog box first so that you know where your templates are going when you create them. It doesn't matter whether you're in model or any of the layout tabs at this point, just right click in the drawing area and go to options on the shortcut menu. The options dialog box will appear. You need to go to the files tab here on the left, and we need to look down this list and you'll see that you have template settings. Click on the plus sign next to it, and you'll see there drawing template file location. Again, click on the little plus sign, and you can see there's a great big long path there where my templates are. And that is set locally on my C drive at the moment. Now, I'm quite happy for that to be there because that's how I work with my laptop, because I tend to be quite mobile. But you might want to change that location there, so you would click, you would browse, and you would go and look for a new location there. Now, it does depend on what you're doing. You might want to put it on a network drive, you might want to put it on a local drive, a different drive perhaps, on your PC, or you might want it to be a shared drive perhaps that is shared by other people in your working environment. I'll just cancel that there because I'm happy where mine is. But the idea being is when you start creating a template, it will automatically go to that folder there. You'll notice as well you have things like sheet set, template file location. We're not working on sheet sets in this particular course, but if you want to create sheet sets, you can set specific templates and also create a location for those. You've got a default template file name when you click on New in AutoCAD. Now, New is up here in the Quick Access toolbar. It's this icon just here with the little sheet of paper with the corner turned over. Now, it might be that you want to specify a particular template that you always use when you create a new drawing. So you can go and point to a file somewhere in one of these locations or perhaps a separate location. Let's scroll down and look at this one. Default template for sheet creation and page setup overrides. Again, you're specifying a location for a file if you're overriding the default template. So there's lots of different ways and means of working with template location in your options dialog box. I'm not going to make any changes there because I'm happy with my setup, but you might want to change that so that it works better within your working environment.